Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning. Today we're going to read from Luke chapter 17 from verse 22 to verse 37. Then Jesus said to him special follower them say, the time a go come when unu will long for the man where God pick come back. Even for one day. People will tell unu say, look, see him there. Or look, see him here. But no go. No follow them. The day the man where God pick come back, I go come in like when lightning flash across the sky and light up the whole world. But me have to suffer whole heap of sitting first, and the people them from that time here, I go turn them back for me. Just like how people used to go on in another time, a same so people are go on when the man where God pick come back. People did a yam, drink, and I get married up to the day when Noah go in at the ark. Then the flood come and kill off the whole of them. At the same way the people them in a lot time did a go on. Them did a yam and drink, buy and sell, plant and build. But the day Lot left Sodom, fire and brimstone come down like rain from heaven and kill the whole of them. As same so, it a go happen pan the day the man where God pick come back. Pan the day de, who dey pan rooftop and have goods in the house, no fi go down fi get them. And who dey in the field, no fi go back fi nothing. Remember Lot wife. The one where try fi keep him life, we lose it. But the one where we give up him life, we save it. Me tell you no, pan the night there, two people we in a same bed. One I go get take away and the other one I go get left back. Two women we are grind grain. One I go get take away and the other one I go get left back. Them ask him, which part, Lord? Him say, anywhere you have dead body, a deso, jankro, I go gather. A God word this. Thank God